In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tutorial for beginners. We'll walk through the core features you need to start using Xero with confidence. So if you're brand new to the platform, this is a great place to begin. First, sign into your Xero account. Once you log in, you'll arrive at the main area where you can access your business records, transactions, and reports. If this is your first time inside Xero, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout before making any changes. Next, explore the dashboard. The Business Overview dashboard gives you a snapshot of what's happening in your business. You'll typically see key information like bank balances, outstanding invoices, bills, and cash flow indicators. This area is useful because it helps you quickly understand your current financial position without having to dig through multiple menus. After that, add a contact. Go to Contacts and create a customer. This is an important step because contacts are used when sending invoices, tracking sales, and organizing customer records. Make sure the basic customer details are entered accurately so your records stay clean and easy to manage. Now, create an invoice. Navigate to Sales, then Invoices, and select a new invoice. Enter the customer you just created, add the items or services being billed, confirm the quantities, pricing, and dates, and review everything carefully. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes later. Once the invoice is ready, approve it and send it by email. This allows the customer to receive the invoice promptly and ensures the sale is properly recorded in Xero. Before sending, it's always a good idea to double-check the totals and payment details. Next, enter a bill. Go to Purchases and then Bills to Pay. This is where you record money your business owes to suppliers or vendors. Keeping bills up to date helps you track upcoming expenses and maintain accurate financial records. After that, record a payment. Open an invoice or bill and enter the payment information. This updates the transaction status, so Xero reflects what has been paid and what is still outstanding. Then reconcile bank transactions. This means matching transactions from your bank feed with the records already entered in Xero. Reconciliation is one of the most important habits in bookkeeping because it keeps your accounts accurate and helps identify missing or incorrect entries. You can also add products and services you sell. Setting these up in advance can save time when creating invoices and helps keep your pricing and descriptions consistent. From there, open reporting and view reports such as profit and loss. Reports help you understand income, expenses, and overall business performance. You can also use projects to create a project and track its costs, which is especially useful if you want to monitor profitability for specific jobs or clients. Finally, review your business performance regularly by checking the dashboard and reports. Staying consistent with this will help you make better business decisions and keep your finances under control. Thanks for watching.